What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man back with another video, and today we have an unboxing straight from the Goat app. You guys do know I just did an early review and on feet over these Air Jordan 6 DNPs, man. Very dope shoe. I was happy that Jordan Brand brought them back, and I was happy to get them early for pretty much like a steal. I got them for a little bit over retail. As you guys do know, they pushed the release back like 2 times already, man. So I was like, let me go ahead and pull the trigger and give you guys this early look, this early review, and it's dope on feet. Make sure you guys go check it out. I will link it down below, or you can just go to the channel and check out the latest video that I dropped before this one, man. But today, like I said, an unboxing from Goat app. You guys do know I rock with Goat app a lot heavier now because when I was in Germany, they shipped straight to where I was at for only 10 bucks, and with StockX to ship to me, if I was to buy something in Germany, it'd be like $70+, man. So today, like I said, we got the package. It was actually here yesterday, but I had a lot of homework, so I went ahead and knocked out some homework. And I saved this video for Friday, man. And I also wanted to ask you guys right now before we get into it, do you guys want me to go live tonight, chop it up, talk about some sneakers? This new Flex app is super crazy. You guys let me know, how do I access it? I'm literally was trying to get on it right before I did this video, and I couldn't. I don't know what is going on with the app. I don't know how to access the app. I don't know how it works, and I haven't watched any videos about it because I wanted to see how it worked, and I want to give you guys my like personal experience with the app. So crazy, they've been changed a lot. You know, they put all their brands into one, you know, account, and now they're doing everything under the Flex app. So I'm like, bruh, come on now, let's keep it how it was. I was taking nothing but W's with the, you know, the original regular Footlocker app, the Champ app, and now I feel like I'm gonna take nothing but L's. I know that they have the Off-White 5s on the Flex app right now as well, and I can go ahead and chalk it up as an L right now because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get access to it. Like I said, right before this video, I tried to get onto it and it said wait in line and you'll be like the next person to get on or whatever. You know how they do if the app is crashing, they always tell you to wait. And this reminds me a lot like the Adidas.com website where you try to get Yeezys. It always tell you don't refresh the app, just wait for your turn. I'm like, bruh, if you get that message, you pretty much gonna take an L. So I'm trying to see how it works, if they're doing head starts, how the coupons work. I really do not know. Like I said, I haven't watched any videos about people talking about it. I know a couple people did talk about the Flex app, but you know, I want to get my personal experience first. I want to learn how it works, you know, give you guys my opinion on the app. But as of right now, I am not happy on how it's changing. I feel like I'm gonna take a lot of L's in the near future, man, especially with these Off-White 5s. Hopefully I hit on the sneakers app, and I feel like this is gonna hinder my channel a little bit because I feel like I'm not gonna hit on a lot of shoes that I'm used to hitting on every weekend. So hopefully I figured out, hopefully we get some W's towards the vintage world, man. I really hope so. But you guys let me know right now how you feel about the Flex app. Have you got through? What does it look like? If you don't mind, please send me some screenshots on what it looks like to my Instagram. It is The Vintage World. It will be linked down below. And if you guys want to see like exclusive, you know, me hitting the gym, unboxings, other stuff like that when I'm dropping the video, go follow me on Instagram right now at The Vintage World. It'll be linked down below. If you guys do not mind, if you new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell for your boy, because I'm definitely thinking about going up live tonight, either tonight or tomorrow, but I definitely will be going live sometime this weekend. So make sure you guys have the notification bells on so you can tune into the after hours live, man. And if you have not yet hit the like button yet, please hit it right now. That shows YouTube you guys are really enjoying the content. But I really need you guys to go check out that early review and on feet over the Air Jordan 6 DNPs, man. Very dope shoe. I gave you guys some dope visuals, I gave you guys some dope B-roll, and the on feet was pretty nice, and it made me want to, you know, keep the shoes on my feet all day. You know, usually when we get new shoes, you want to take the shoe everywhere around the house. I remember it was a meme like that or something, but that's definitely me. When I get a new shoe, I'm looking at it all day, I'm carrying around with me, but at the end of the day, you know, it's on to the next sneaker. And we have a sneaker right here, man, so let's get into it. Enough talking. Like I said, from Goat app, or is this from StockX? No, this is from Goat. I got the DMP6s from StockX, and I got these from Goat app. As you guys do know, the resale prices for Kobe sneakers went rising up and stuff. Very, you know, that's just crazy that it happened like that, and the resellers is hiking the prices up. They know people want to get Kobe's more than ever now, so they trying to make some money off somebody's death. I don't condone to it. I do not, you know, agree to what they're doing. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger on a pair of shoes I've been eyeing for a long time. As you guys do know, I hoop in my Kobe's, you know what I'm saying? I was just getting some buckets today, And yeah, I was hooping in my Kobe's, but the Kobe's I showed y'all in the video when I was talking about, you know, people raising the resale prices up on the Kobe's, that pair is pretty trash. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger on another pair of Kobe's, man. Let's pull it out the box. Let's get the move back up, you feel me? Let's get out the way, nothing else in there. Y'all already know how a GOAT come. Check it out. You got the Kobe, you know, signature logo right here, and you have Kobe signature down here. And it is a Kobe 4 Protro Undefeated PE, man. I got these in a 9.5 because usually with my Kobe's they run a little snug. So I went up and went up half size so I can hoop in these. And the retail was 180. I think I got these for like 250 if I'm not mistaken, man. So this is a card I was talking about when I did the GOAT app review. It shows you each step that the shoe goes through. It has the label and tag, the sole, the stitching, the material, color, structure, accessories, the box condition, shoe condition, right and left, scoop, or I don't even know how to say it, SKU and size, man. So they check for authentication and the quality control. So check it out right there. It's kind of bright. I'm gonna show you guys in the bureau, of course. But yeah, this is the card I was talking about. Got another GOAT sticker. Usually it was way bigger, but I guess they made it a little bit smaller now, so we have a smaller GOAT sticker. I feel like it is so, you know what I'm saying, dope for them to throw some of these in their box to pretty much, you know, promote their brand. You can see it anywhere. I put all my stickers on my laptop, you know, so this is a dope sticker. Let's get into the box. White tissue paper, and here we have it. Finally, we have my new hooping shoes. Check them out, check them out. The Kobe 4 Undefeateds, man. Check it out. Very dope colorway. The reason I got this one because all the other ones was pretty high end, the resale, and I was like, man, I'm not trying to spend that much money on some Kobe's because I don't want to, you know, let the resellers win on what they're doing. You're not supposed to raise the resale price up on this shoe after somebody died like that, man. That was a crazy death, and man, that was so traumatic to the whole world. Kobe meant a lot to a lot of people. They trying to take advantage of those people that were really fans of Kobe Bryant and basketball in general. So check it out, man. You got undefeated on the back, you got 8 on the left shoe, and you have 24 on the back of the right shoe. Check it out right here. Blam blam, very dope kick, man. It's all over like some shiny shimmery material, and when the light hits it you can kind of get some of that iridescent feel as well. I'm gonna try my best to show that in the b-roll because it's kind of hard to tell right now. All over, you know, that tangerine colorway with some purple hits, and you got the black swoosh right there. Like I said, I always praise Kobe sneakers. I always hooped in Kobe's throughout high school, and now that me being grown, so I was like, man, let me go ahead and get another pair. And I thought this was pretty dope. I paid a little extra just because, you know, what's going on, and they took advantage of when they could. I just had to give me a new pair of Kobe's to hoop in, you feel me? Of course, you got the Kobe logo on the inside of this one, and you got an extra pair of laces as well, which I did not know. You got Nike branded on the bag and the purple laces, and you have the Undefeated logo on this side right here. Check it out, check it out. I'm really digging how they got that iridescent entwined with the overall tangerine colorway. Check it out. And even on the lace tips, man, you got Undefeated branded on there as well. Checking out the outsole, man, all white pretty much. You got a carbon fiber plate, which I never had a pair of Kobe's with a carbon fiber plate, so I'm really interested in knowing how these feel on feet. But I'm kind of guessing that these are going to be dope on feet and going to be dope on court. And you have some purple hits all throughout the outsole as well, man. So yeah, that is my unboxing. That's my little rant over the new Flex app. I'm going to give you guys some new details coming very soon whenever I can get through with the app. So like I said, I really appreciate you for tuning in. If you guys have not hit the like button yet, man, make sure you hit the like button right now and follow me over on IG at The Vintage World. It'll be linked down below, of course. If you guys want to see more unboxings, more early reviews and stuff like that, I need you guys to like the video right now. That really shows me that you guys are enjoying the content, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content as well. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tuning in, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.